Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the pipe sizes and thread types so fittings match exactly. This prevents cross-threading. Once you verify threads, clean each end thoroughly and remove any burrs with a file or brush. Apply thread sealant or 3/4-inch tape correctly. Wrap clockwise so it doesn't unwind when you thread. Grip the pipe firmly in a vise. This stabilizes the joint and lets you control torque. Start threading by hand to align threads before using tools. Once hand started for several turns, make sure the connection is square. Misalignment causes leaks and damaged threads. Hold the stationary pipe with one wrench to prevent twisting, and use a second wrench on the fitting to tighten. This transfers torque correctly. Tighten to the manufacturer's spec if available or snug plus about 1/4 to 1/2 turn. This compresses the sealant without crushing threads. Listen and feel for resistance change. Stop when resistance increases markedly. After tightening, test the joint at low pressure first and then at working pressure so you can spot leaks early. Once pressurized, check all around the joint. Use a cloth or soapy water for tiny bubbles. If you find a leak, try tightening just a quarter turn. Make sure you don't over-tighten. If leakage persists, drain, disassemble, clean, or replace the sealant and rethread, and inspect threads for damage. Badly cut or corroded threads require replacement of the fitting or pipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.